With the increasing level of competition, a business needs strong digital marketing tools that can get exponential growth in the respective business domain. You can increase the traffic of your website using SpreadMe tools. This tool helps you to increase the traffic rate of your website. Using the SpreadMe digital tools, you can get more leads. In essence, you can prepare answers before your customers search for them using this tool. As you can see, in this article we are going to discuss the following tools.
With the use of Spread and Bulk URL Opener, you can open multiple web pages in different tabs of your browser. With the use of this feature, you can open all URLs that you require to do your work. Before opening a web URL opener, you have to prepare the list of URLs you're going to open for your work. If you are going to use this feature for your SEO job, then you have to prepare all the links you can insert into the content.
However, after opening the feature, you just have to paste all the URLs into the given platform. Thereafter, you have to click Open All if you want to open all the links. Hence, all the web pages will open in separate tabs using those links. You can do all your work comfortably using this feature. Do you have a higher reach website and you are the manager of that website? If yes, then you may have used some tools to hide your admin credentials. With the use of a SpreadMe robot file generator, you can hide some elements of content or credentials from the website. The procedure of working a SpreadMe robots. Therefore, the crawler would rank your website according to indexing norms. But you can guide the crawler on what part of your website you want to show and what not. The crawler would do according to the robot files. Well, you can create a robots text generator Google free to increase the visibility of your website. Using SpreadMe robot.text generator, you can easily create robot files to guide the crawler to access your website content and data. Checking the number of words for your article or blog becomes essentially important when you do SEO work. Therefore, using a word count tool changes the entire game, as you can easily count the number of words you have written or required on a particular page. Added to this, the chances of exceeding the word count are very less if you use a character count tool along with that. These SpreadMe tools are effective to calculate the total number of words on your website. You can easily add or delete unnecessary wordings from your content if you check your word count simultaneously. First, you need to access the SpreadMe free word count tool to bring the pop-up option to your website. After you fill up the credentials to use the features, you can measure the number of words for your content easily. The tool will access the number of words your website has contained along with the characters your website has. Moreover, you can check the content in a page-wise format and the number of pages will be shown in this pop-up option accordingly. Using the SpreadMe SEO word count tool, you can easily assess the number of words your website needed to complete the post. To show your web article at the top list of the search engine, you have to use SEO keywords. The more you will apply the keywords in your content, the more it will have the chance to show in the top search list. Using a SpreadMe keyword density checker, you can easily check the number of keywords the article has. The process of using this checker is extensively simple. You have to follow a two-step process to do that. On the other side, you have to prepare your content. For this, you can copy your content and paste it into the blank space of this URL. Added to this, you have to paste the keywords you have used in this content. Finally, meta tags are used to show the information contained in a web page through some words. You can use meta tags to reach out to more users of your web page. Using a meta tag tester will help you to check whether the title and subheadings of your main content are relevant or not. The process of checking the meta tags of your content is now very easy. You just have to visit the SpreadMe tool link for website metadata checker and paste the content of your website there. Generally, meta tags are used in content titles and headings to increase the visibility of your website. Therefore, after pasting the content on the checker, this detector will show you where you need to improve your content. If the content is not relevant as per the SEO guidelines, then it would also suggest you some changes. Using a SpreadMe meta tag analyzer tool will guide you to add these tags wisely in your content, and metadata analyzer will help you to frame your content accordingly. Moreover, you can guide the crawler efficiently to read your content as per your terms. Before you start doing the SEO work, you need a proper list of URLs that you're going to use to create links and backlinks. You have to check which link is useful and which is not to post your content. Hence, using a broken link checker you can easily identify which links are broken, therefore you cannot use them in your work. After running SpreadMe tool of the backlink checker you can easily reject those links which can minimize your traffic rate. In short, you can easily trace the links, which can lead you to errors, using this free backlink checker. Choosing the correct domain is important for quality research. You can get the stability of the links that you're going to put in your SEO work if you choose old domains. Using a domainage checker, you can easily find the age of the link that you're going to use in your SEO work. Using a SpreadMe website age checker, you can check the number of years the websites have been in the search engine. You can easily use the tool. For that, you have to visit the dedicated site. Thereafter, you have to click the option Bulk Domain Age Checker and a dedicated area will display on your screen. Using a SpreadMe Site Age Checker tool is very simple and time-saving. First, you have to visit the respective URL where you can use this Domain Age Checker online tool. Second, you have to find out the respective space where you can paste your URL to check its age. Finally, you have to click the check option to run the entire procedure. After you create a website, you have direct the crawler to visit your website to rank your website in the search engine. Using a sitemap generator, you can easily direct the crawler about which part of your website should it read and prepare the index accordingly. To improve your website ranking through SEO, you have to create XML sitemap files. After the creation of these files, the generator will start working on your website. It would view all your pages and rank the pages according to their visibility and content. Thereafter, it would prepare a roadmap about how to visit and review your website for the crawler. You can use SpreadMe website sitemap generator to create those XML files. After adding this file to your website, the crawler will follow this file only as a roadmap to review your website for the search engine. Thus, the crawler would see only those things on your website that you want it to see. Using the Google Cache Checker, you can check when the last time a website is modified by its admin. Therefore, you can also check the time when your browser was down due to some reason with this efficient cache checker tool. Mainly, this is a backup process you can do to revive the previous set of your website. You have to follow a simple procedure to get the cache of any website. This SpreadMe Cache Checker online tool is very handy in this case as the procedure is very simple in this. For that, you require the URL of the web page which you want to check for its cache. After getting the URL you have to visit this checker. You can see space there and you have to paste your URL here and click the check option. You can easily cut the business competition by using lead generation software for small business. As you can simply get more leads, thus the volume of your sale will automatically improve after using this software in your business. You can easily improve the brand value of your product using this efficient lead management tool. The first thing you can get from the SpreadMe lead generation tools for small businesses is structuring the business. Added to this software is having the following features also. About SpreadMe CRM lead analysis. After getting the lead, the software will analyze the source it has used to get the lead. Therefore, it can increase the chance of originality of the leads. In other words, with a little promotion of your production, you can easily cover the lead into your sale. About SpreadMe CRM forecasting, this software uses CRM and project management tool to streamline the project. Therefore, this software is efficient enough to fetch you forecasts about the sale and it will enhance the chances of conversion with these efficient tools. Like a typical local business lead generation system, SpreadMe software CRM works on the grassroots level to collect and assess the leads. First, it would send and collect information about the business leads across various channels. Secondly, this software will collect all the information from the vested informers regarding the leads and confirm them. Finally, This software will set a priority list where the most important lead gets the first position as per its convertibility. Using the SpreadMe Best Lead Generation CRM software can fetch your business relevant and genuine leads, thus you can use it to increase your sales volume. You can choose the lead after the nurturing process to get the most from the leads. Added to this, you can filter out the leads which you will use later. You can measure the